In this video, we will be telling you about the IBPS clerk exam and the packages that Mockbank provides you. The packages that Mockbank provides you with are of two types. All the courses listed below have mock tests of similar difficulty level created based on actual exam pattern. The only difference in these courses is the number of mock tests and the level of faculty interaction. All courses have different mock tests. You can buy any course any number of times and you will always get a fresh mock test. The first type of packages consists of beginner, intermediate, and advanced packages. The beginner package has 3 mock tests, 2 personalized mentorship sessions, doubt-solving sessions, time-based study plan. The intermediate package has 20 mock tests, 3 personalized mentorship sessions, doubt-solving sessions, and time-based study plan. The advanced package has 50 mock tests and 5 personalized mentorship sessions, doubt-solving sessions, and time-based study plan. The next type is the expert packages. The first one is the expert package, which has 50 mock tests, 150 subject tests, 5 personalized mentorship sessions, doubt-solving sessions valid for 1 year, and a time-based study plan. The Expert Plus package has 200 plus subject videos, 50 mock tests, 150 subject tests, 8 personalized mentorship sessions, doubt-solving sessions valid for 1 year, and a time-based study plan. You can choose whichever package is most suitable for you. You can get started with Mockbank because Mockbank test series help candidates score 36% more marks than you ordinarily would. When you click on My Classroom, you will be directed to this page where you will be introduced to the practice, learn, and interact elements. When you click on one of the packages that you've purchased, you'll be presented with various tabs. The first tab is the mock test. When you take one of the mock tests, when you click on one of the mock tests, you'll be directed to the test zone. In the test zone, you will find that the exam environment is exactly the same as the one which you will attend in the main exam. Here, you will be able to skip over sections, skip over questions, and mark questions for review. Once you submit the test, you will receive a personalized report of your performance as well as your past performances. In the results page, there are several tabs that are presented to you. The first is the status, your maximum marks, your marks, and the time taken by you. Next is the sectional analysis, where you'll be faced with section-wise division of your performance. Yours attempted, your unattempted, your correct answers, your accuracy rate, your marks, and the percentage of marks, as well as the cutoff marks, and your cutoff status, that is whether you've cleared the cutoff or not. Next is the detailed analysis, where you'll be given a tabular as well as a graphical representation of your performance. There is also a subject-wise analysis along with the graphical representation of your subject-wise scoring. Next is the question and answer analysis, where you'll be given every single question, your answer to it, and the correct answer, and the solution to this answer. Next is the report section. Here you will have the overall score, your unattempted, incorrect, and correct answers, your subject score, subject-wise division and analysis of your scores, section-wise scores, English language, quant, reasoning, etc., where you will be given the time taken by you, the total questions, total answered, total correct, total unanswered, accuracy rate, cutoff score, and cutoff score achieved sections. Next is the difficulty analysis, where we tell you how many of the easy questions you've answered correctly and how many of the medium difficulty level questions you've answered correctly. And finally, there's a question-wise analysis of your answer, and this gives you a detailed, in-depth information as to which areas you need to work on. Finally, we have your performance graph, where it tells you how you've fared across the different mock tests that you have taken. Let's go to My Classroom and see what study aids are available. You're also provided with different subject tests which focus on the individual subjects or the sections that are available within that particular exam. You're also given a package of the IBPS Clerk Mains exam, where you will take the mock test for the mains exam once you have cleared the preliminary exam. Along with this, you have access to hundreds of videos which clear doubts regarding several sections. You also have at your disposal several past year question papers, attending which you will have a better idea as to how to attempt the main exam. You're also given a counseling session where you can schedule a counseling session with one of our mentors and you can have all of your doubts solved through this. There is also an exclusive doubt solving session with a doubt solving calendar which shows you the schedule of all the doubts of different subtopics that are being solved. You also have access to the entire library of doubt solving videos, viewing which you will have no problem attending the main exam. What is the IBPS clerk exam? It's an exam for hiring clerks towards various nationalized and other banks and financial institutions. How is it taken? It is taken in the form of an online computerized exam. What is the procedure? There are 3 steps: prelims, mains, and the interview. The prelim section has English language, numerical aptitude, and the reasoning sections with 100 questions, 100 marks, and 1 hour to attend the paper. The mains exam has general awareness and computer knowledge sections along with English, quant, and reasoning. It has 200 questions for 200 marks with a quarter mark deducted for every incorrect answer. Conducted for 2 hours. Why would you choose Mockbank? Mockbank provides you with 3 main elements: practice, learn, and interact. With these 3 elements, you will be able to work on your weaker sections, strengthen them, and ace your exams with full confidence and full ease. Get started now with Mockbank. Buy the best packages and soar to greater heights in your career.